Hi, we're Todd and Diane.
We're going to show you all the cool things we're cooking inside our Pro Double Oven today and talk about why we love it so much.
Awesome.
Thermador is American-made and assembled in La Follette, Tennessee.
Thermador was the first appliance manufacturer to invent the built-in wall oven back in 1947. Prior to that, people only had ranges. The double oven is Thermador's signature product. They also introduced the first self-cleaning oven. They are unquestionably game changers in the world of cooking.
Thermador ovens offer 16 cooking modes to help cook amazing feasts for entertaining or for everyday family meals. Thermador built-in ovens are Star Case certified, making it possible to use them on the Sabbath or the holidays. One great mode is True Convection. The True Convection baffle system allows hot air to flow evenly throughout the oven for optimal results without flavor transfer.
Thermador's single fan is all that it needs to have a perfect convection result in every convection cooking mode.
You can cook 6 racks of 12 cookies for a total of 72 cookies at once. Check out all these cookies. It's time for the bake sale. This True Convection mode uses only the convection fan and element. Cookies and other food cooks evenly and beautifully all at the same time.
I love the broil function. The broil is amazing. Minimum broil is 3,800 watts and the max broil is 4,800, and you can add convection to it too. It cooks amazingly crispy, and the max broil is super powerful.
Convection Roast. This is ideal for meats and vegetables. With hot air circulating around the oven during roasting, food gets crisp on the outside and the inside stays moist and juicy. Full-access telescopic racks glide smoothly and safely. Support even the heaviest dishes with easy grip handles. Rotisserie is a wonderful way to cook poultry and roasts. This mode uses the bake and broil. This allows food to receive equal heat on all sides. It holds up to 12 pounds of food. Rotisserie chicken comes out super juicy and incredible. The skin is crispy and fantastic.
Even rotisserie pineapple is a hit for our dinner parties. Cooking with the rotisserie mode is a stunning way to cook pineapple perfectly for a wonderful side dish or dessert. Everybody just oohs and ahs just watching the pineapple slowly turn, cooking to perfection.
Pizza mode is great for pizza night. Reduce cooking times for frozen foods with a speed convection system. This mode provides even cooking in less time. With 4.5 cubic feet of cooking space, the 30-inch double ovens are some of the largest in their class. With exceptional oven capacity, you can cook a big feast for entertaining, holidays, and gatherings. With Thermador, you can personalize your double oven configuration. You could select convection ovens, speed ovens, or steam and convection oven combinations.